What's up? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1970 Mustang Fastback. This is a 4-speed car with a 351 Windsor under the hood. What I like to do in these videos is point out any kind of flaws. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood so I'm not flipping the camera around on you. Check out my website, maplemotors.com. We do have finance options available, along with shipping. I can ship these cars all over the nation. Go ahead and look in the trunk. While we got it open, we'll get it shut down. It's a very solid trunk. I do these videos every day. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy before you get here. Definitely don't want no surprises. Looks like the weather stripping's been replaced on the trunk lid, and it's nice and clean. Shuts down. Gotta firmly shut it. Let's see. There we go. But you can hit that subscribe button if you want to see us post content daily. You can also hit the little notification bell to get alerted every time I post a video. We'll start up here in the front. We're gonna be looking for any of the flaws. The front bumper's in good shape. There is a little spot in the corner here. Little chip on the fender somebody's touched up. The grill's looking pretty good on this one. Nice tires. Drum brakes all the way around. Decent set of American racing wheels. There's light scratches on the top of the fender here. I guess where they've been working on the car. You can see some real light scratches. A lot of that stuff should buff out. Same with on the hood. May have had something sitting on top of the car. Gave it them fine scratches. Coming down the side of the car, looks nice and straight. Same with the roof. A few rock chips on the back here. The window has got a little bit of scuff marks up in the corner there. Kind of streaks, real fine going down the back window. Back end looks awesome on this thing. Dual exhaust. Nice tail lights. Another little rock chip back here. Some more of them light scratches. It's almost like a cat crawled across the top or something, since it's all over the car. There's some here and around the edges. Really thinking a high-speed buffer would take most all of that out. I don't see anything that's all the way through. Still rock chips back here in the corner from the tires. It's about perfect for throwing rocks. There's a dent right here in this quarter. Some light scratches right there in the corner. New door handles. A lot of the trim's still shining real bright. There's another little ding right here, right in front of the other one. It's like a chip right in the middle of the door. Black shows everything. Little bubble on the paint. Looks like they left some wax down in here, probably where they hand waxed it. Well, it made it all the way around. Very clean up under the hood. Gonna go ahead and check the interior out here. So we're jumping in, you can see door panel's in good shape. Still got a few scratch marks, usually where people kick it to get it in and out. Looking at the jam over here. Weather stripping's in good shape. Gonna check the bottom of the door. Looks like a little bit of a bubble on the inside here where I was talking about people kick it. Trim's been replaced inside the door there. Back seat's in good shape. Package tray looks good. Headliner's in great shape as well. Checking the dash out. It's not all bubbled up. Got a good look to it. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? It's a little game we like to play on this channel. Showing 50,000 miles on the dash here. Go ahead and start her up. Make sure I'm not in gear. Starts up nice and easy. Gas gauge is rising right now. Haven't really had it warmed up long enough to check the temp gauge, but we will be doing that on the test drive. Blower motor is out. It's not making any noise or doing anything. The radio is not cutting on. Wipers, they do work. Horn, you ready? No horn in this one. Seat's in good shape. Same with the passenger seat. Motor's nice and quiet in this one. Go ahead and shut the hood down. It comes down. It's a little bit stiff, but not too stiff. It's all right. Locks up. It's also got these hood pins that go down in there. Fairly easy to do. Light scratching on the hood. I almost feel like a cat did walk across this car at one time and do that. I've seen them do that before too. It sucks on a black car for sure. But a good speed buffer does pretty good. It gets the majority of the scratches out. I'm gonna be giving y'all some undercarriage shots real quick. We're gonna hit up under the front and go all the way around the car. I got close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. Let's start. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit up maplemotors.com for financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and also those 100 detailed pictures. We update it every Monday with new inventory. And we have a bunch of cars up here on the lot, so definitely check that out. And if you don't mind, you like our videos, hit that subscribe button. I do try to post videos every day. As you can see, we do have shipping available. We got 2 shipping trucks here right now, picking up cars. First thing this morning, I think there's another one on the way, so 3 cars going out this morning. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We're getting ready to do a test drive video of this car. Be looking for that the last 30 seconds of every video. You can get a walk around or a test drive. Or if you want to look up a specific car on my website, just type in like this one, 1970 Mustang Fastback, Maple Motors, and you'll get 2 videos. About 30 minutes worth of information. So, all right, guys, I do appreciate you watching. Thanks again.